Running your PPC campaigns the same way you did 6 months ago? If yes, you are probably overspending. Why? Because in 2025, tariffs are not just a supply chain problem, they are a marketing problem too. Let me explain why. With a 45% tariff increase and rising FTA fees, your landed costs are now significantly higher than before. Your old A cost, advertising cost of sales, benchmarks, they no longer apply. Let's say you were happy with a 25% A cost when your margins were 40%. But now, with shipping, storage, and import fees eating into margins, your actual margin might be 20% or maybe less. That means every PPC dollar spent today needs to work much harder to stay profitable. And that is where most sellers are making a critical mistake. If you are still scaling campaigns based only on ROAS or top of search performance placements without adjusting for new margins, you are most likely overspending on unprofitable keywords or irrelevant keywords, losing money on high CPC branded search terms, burning money on low converting SKUs. Many sellers are pushing advertising spend to make up for revenue drops. But if you are not matching that with your margin aware targeting, you are compounding the problem. But here is how we are helping sellers adapt their PPC in a post-tariff landscape. So, how we are helping the sellers? You can group products by margin according to tier-wise products like high products or medium products or at-risk products. Only scale PPC on those products on which you have a very good margin and you can absorb the landing cost or higher cost and advertising cost as well. Recalculate your break-even A cost for each ASIN. For many sellers, what used to be 30% now needs to be under 20% for break-even. You can also cut or reallocate, turn off or reduce ad spend on SKUs that having margin under 25% unless you are using them for long-term ranking. Utilize defensive campaigns, only bid on branded keywords if they are actually converting profitably, not just because you have to. And then bundle products with a very good selling SKUs with the slow mover products, and you can also run ads on those ones to promote higher average order value on multi-packs products. PPC is no longer just a growth level, it is directly tied to survival. If you haven't already realigned your ad strategy based on updated cost, you are probably overspending and you might not even know it. We are helping sellers build margin protected PPC strategies that actually make sense in 2025. If you want to audit your campaigns, realign your targets, or simply get a second opinion, book a free 30-minute session with us. Let's adjust your ad spend before your next campaign eats your profit.